Morning. Today.
Drive.
Huh?
Drive.
You're what?
Drive.
Drive. Mag-drive na daw ako. Today is November 26. Mag-grocery tayo. Pinapadrive na ako ni Hol. Yeah, okay. Okay, I will drive. Okay, say good morning first.
Good morning.
Mag-drive na daw ako. Sige. Mag-grocery tayo. And ano ng oras? Magti-10 na. Tapos after ng grocery, may si Holly, may swimming lesson. So, kailangan ko makatapos mag-grocery before 12 or 12. Kasi 30 minutes yung drive papunta dito. So, itry ko rin kung makapag-haul ako after grocery. So, tingnan natin. So, pero ngayon, mag-grocery muna tayo. Okay, I will drive now, Holly. Say see ya.
See ya.
Dito na kami sa coast. Come on, Papa. Get broccoli.
Oh, this big one.
No, just the small one, Baba. This one. Yeah, open that one. Chine-check niya kung may mga bugbog. 3.
Happy to hold up.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. Nine. Okay, that one last. Itong Granny Smith. Okay, kuha kang 5. 5 kuya. 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more. Okay. Kumakain na sila ng fruits. Ayan, si Kuya Sak. Libre lang naman yan. And kumuha ko ng 250 grams din na fruits. So, ayan. Every time nag-grocery ako, lagi silang kumukuha ng fruits. Ako nito kasi it reminds me na yung parang sa Bicol, yung pang-rasyusa. Alam nyo ba yon? Yung may mga bulubundukin dyan. Tapos matigas na tinapay. So, kuha tayo nyan. Put it here. Ito, masarap to eh, blueberry. Mini, one more.
Wait, that tree.
Yes. So,
I want a.
I know.
Can I dip and it wants a splashy on here?
Yeah, we still have at home, Baba. So, tayo nitong dalawa. Masarap to. Siyempre, ito. Hindi to pwedeng mawala sa grocery natin.
That's something.
Because that's Dad's favorite. Tayo nitong isa nito, saka ito. Sak. One more. Put it properly.
Top, put this one. I'll put this there.
Strawberry, Baba. Yeah. Can you? Oh, that one. No, mommy na, Baba. Yeah, when we get home, you can have one. Yes. Yes, wait. Mommy will choose, Baba.
Pork belly.
Yeah, it's leg roast.
One or two?
Just one for now because I think we still have more.
No, we don't. Tika said there's the last one.
Who?
Tika said there's the last one.
Okay. Just one, Baba. Where's the other one? Yeah. Holly, Zachary. Yeah.
Mama, purple.
Yeah.
Wow.
Kuha tayo nito.
Yeah, that one.
You want this one? Ta. Tsaka ito. Malakas kasi ang mga bata sa juice. Tsaka ako din. Can you reach it? Just one. One Migori.
This four. This has four games.
Yeah, we did. Oh, I don't think so. We tried this one. I think the other one. That's the one. I think this is the one we want, Baba. Yeah, ito yung gusto namin, hindi ito. Hindi pa namin to na-try, pero...
No, can we go on the other can we go on the other one, the other pie one?
What? Salt.
The other one you don't need a pie is not going. This one put it on and they print some numbers then you get money.
Yung gusto niya yata yung ano, self check-out. Yun ang sinasabi ni Sak. No, we can't, Baba, because this is too many to do self checkout.
I love you. I love you. I love you.
Piniholi kasi wala na siyang meron pa naman, pero ano na lang yun, hanggang bukas.
Do you have this one?
Yes, but
Can we smell it? I never want to smell it.
yes, you did smell it before.
Ah.
No, not this one,
I
boy.
want to smell it.
No, not this. Get that one.
Oh, did this smell good?
Yeah.
My vape. Kitchen.
Paper towel for the kitchen. Okay na.
Where's the big one?
Ayun ang eggs. I-check muna natin. Oops, may basag. Oh. Ayan, basag siya, So, hindi yan pwede.
Why black one?
No, I didn't. That's broken already. That's why mommy always check before we get eggs.
All the eggs.
Yeah.
Mom.
Kasi lagi ako dati hindi ko chine-check.
Mommy.
Oh, ayan. Ayan na naman. May ano na naman siya. May basag. Dalawa na yung nakita nating may basag. Kaya dapat laging chine-check.
But what I have numbers on?
Huh?
What I have numbers?
So people know how many pieces inside the box.
Did I watch it?
Yes.
Ew, but they don't eat that. The shell.
No, we don't
They
eat that.
ate the inside.
So, eto, nakapasa siya. Ito yung kukunin natin. Ito yung... Yeah, this is Daddy's drink. Okay.
What's daddy's ring?
Yeah, that's Daddy's drink. 5.
My daddy's choppy.
December 5 kasi iba-iba yung date. December 3 and then there's here December 5. We're gonna get this one. What, Holly?
Daddy's choppy.
Yeah, that's Daddy's drink.
My daddy's choppy.
This is not soft drinks, coffee.
That's choppy.
Yeah, coffee. Ang daldal mo, ha?
It's hard.
Yakult, where is it?
What did I
Mommy, open. Huh? I don't think so. This is vanilla.
No,
Okay.
this is shock. Remember this is shock?
This is yucky. Yeah, not this one, Baba. Banana, Baba. Yeah, banana. Here. Oops! Uh-oh! Here, Baba. What you gonna say? Oh, that. What you gonna say, Kuya Sak? Masaya na siya. May pagkain na siya. Okay, go get butter. That one, Masinita.
No, this is like a knife. So if you turn it here, the knife. If you turn it here, it's 6.
Very good.
Oh! My dad!
Holly, Jay. Ayun na si Sak. Sak, here, Baba. Siya na nagdala ng malaking toilet paper. Come on.
Where's one here?
That way. Go straight. Ayan, tapos na kayo mag-grocery sa Coast. Dito na ako sa parking lot ng Baker's Delight kasi kukuha ako ng tinapay. And time check is 11:38. So, hindi kami malilate ni Holly kasi yung swimming lesson niya is 1 o'clock. Magdadrive ako 25 to 30 minutes. So, yeah, may time pa kami. So, ayan. Dito kayo sa place kung saan magsiswimming si Holly. Ayan si Holly. That's that, Baba?
Me?
Yeah, gonna go swimming. Time check is 12:54. So, hindi kami late. Ayan yung oras. Ayan. 12:55 na. Kita niyo ba? Ayan. Okay, let's go. Okay. Excited siya. Ayan na kami. Ayan na si Holly, oh. How's swimming, Baba? Good? So, ayan. I-haul ko lang to. Hoy, Baba, wait. Dito tayo mag-haul sa lamesa. Wala pa si Kuya. Nasa school pa. Yes?
I take it.
Are you gonna help Mommy?
Yes.
Okay, wait. Minove ko lang yung mga grocery dito para mas malapit sa akin kasi dito natin gagawin ang ating haul. Ouch! So, kanina nung pag-swimming ni Holly, hindi ako masyadong naggawa ng mga activities ni Holly kasi nga, eto, ayaw ko mabasa. So, ang tumutulong sa akin yung teacher ni Holly. So, yeah. Nilagyan ko nito, si Jen naglagay niyan. Ano to, electric tape para hindi pumasok yung tubig doon sa, sa loob. And si Sak, injured din si Sak. So, masakit ang katawan niya. Kaya, sabi niya, magpapahinga raw siya. So, ibig sabihin, hindi niya tayo tutulungan. Si Kuya kasi nasa school pa. So, unahin ko, eto. Nung pagdating namin, si Jan, kanya ako magbaba ng mga groceries. And, yeah, linagay niya to sa ref kasi mga cold to. Ito yung butter. So, ito munang bag. Kasi ilalagay ko to sa ref. And, milk. Itong yogurt na iba-iba yung flavor na mayroong strawberry, banana ba? Mayroong bang banana? Yeah, banana. And, ano pa? Vanilla. So, ayan. Sak, are you gonna help me? Nah. Sakit ang katawan ni Sak. So, eto yung iced coffee ni Johnny. Ito, hindi ito pwedeng mawala sa amin kasi ito ang kanyang vitamins. So, ayan. Dalawa lang ang pinili ko kasi meron pa siya sa ref. And si Holly, ayun, kumakain na siya. Bumili ako nito. Ilan bang kinuha ko nito? Kasi meron pa siyang tirang 4 yata sa ref. So, kumuha lang akong 2, 4, 6, 7. Ayan, kinakain niya na.
Okay, mine.
I know it's yours. So, 7 itong Petit Miyam. Ayan, blueberry, strawberry. Ano pa to? Apple. Oo, it's yours. And blueberries, apple. So, ayan, yung banana, kinakain niya na. So, we're gonna put this back here. And, eto, leg roast.
Yes,
Boneless na to.
bone or pinky.
Okay. So, ibabalik ko lang to saglit sa ref.
This,
Han, can you put this in the fridge for me, please?
this, or
This one. Yeah. Dito naman tayo sa isang bag. Your coffee na. So, eto, Coco Pops na Kellogg's yung brand. What's this, Ollie?
Choco.
Choco. M&M. Choco ang tawag sa mga chocolate. General na yan. Choco. M&M. And Snickers. Okay, upo ka dito kay Mama. Oh, so they can see you here. Upo ka dito. And ito yung favorite ni Jana. Bounty. Dalawang kinuha ko. 16 pieces yung laman nito. So, dalawang kinuha ko niyan. And 2 minutes noodles for emergency. Pag halimbawa yung mga bata, busy ako, gusto na nila munang kumain. So, yan ang binibigay ko. And bumili ako ng ipit sa mga damit yung pegs. Kasi, yung iba kasi, marupok siya kasi init tapos ulan. So, minsan hindi ko nakukuha sa sampayan. Ang ingay ng katabi ko, hoy, what are you doing? And eto, bumili ako itong golden circle na apple black currant na flavor. Ayan. Kita nyo? So, isang pack, 2, 4, 6. 6 siya. So,
Strawberry apple.
Apple. Oh, may strawberry and apple doon. Hindi yan strawberry, Baba. Ayan. Favorite to nila, kuya. Pero hindi everyday ko sila pinapainom yan. Every other day. But depende. Ngayon kasi mainit na, so everyday na yata. And eto, dalawa. Ha? Tingnan mo na ito. Nasa lesson. Dito ka lang. Ouch! May si Mami Yayay? Ouch! So yan, dalawa. What's this?
Apple.
Apple? Okay, apple. Put this apple there. So, bumili ako nitong green apple. Granny Smith ang tawag. Put that one there, please. So, 5 nito. Kasi meron pa. Wala na pala. 5 lang kinuha ko niyan. Tapos dito naman tayo sa isang bag. What color is that? Green.
No, red.
Lagi sinasabi red. It's not red. It's green. And eto, bumili ako itong mini toast para sa... Kasi meron kaming dito yung cream cheese. So, dinidip to ng mga bata. So, ayan. And eto pa. Sorry. Favorite nila kuya. Huh? Oh, noodles, spice. Not spicy. Yeah, and cookies. Cadbury cookies. Double choco ba to? Yeah. Dalawa. Yan, bumili tayo ng dalawa. Anong oras na? 2 o'clock na. And eto, ang bango. Eto yung tinapay. Gustong gusto ko to kasi siya. Wait, Baba, you're done? Okay. It reminds me, yung sa Bicol kasi may tinitindang pang-rasyon sa tawag. Yung may siya dito, yung parang may mga knuckles dyan. Tapos bibiyakin mo lang. Tapos matigas siyang tinapay. So, eto, matigas kasi ito sa matigas. Hoy, Baba! Yeah, here, Baba. Oh, here. Here, Baba. Oh. Eto. Okay. Hold it here. Come on. Ay, paano tayo matatapos? Madami kang Okay. Gusto niya rin mag-hold. Ayan, natuti na siya. Wait, Baba. First time ko tong i-try kasi si Jan mahilig sa sweet. So, sabi dito, to? Dusted sponge. May cream siya sa loob. Baba, no, it's too noisy, this one. So, ayan, may cream siya sa loob. Tapos, parang may strawberry jam. Ayan. So, first time ko itong itry. Magkano ba ito? $5 yata itong binili ko or 6. So, ayan. Basta, fresh cream dusted sponge. So, try natin yan. Matutuwa niyan si Jan. And, of course, itong Lamington Bites na favorite ni Jan. Huh? Apple. Don't eat apple yet. Because you just... No, you finish this one first. Mommy need to wash that first. Remember? Tapos, etong Kellogg's na LCM na yogurt. Ayan. Para rin siyang Coco Pops. Tapos, lang siya, yogurt ang flavor. Nagagalit yung isa, nandun siya sa ilalim ng mesa. And Milo bars. Ayan yung Milo bars. 6 pieces yung laman. I think 6 pieces lahat to eh. Ayan, 6 pieces. So, ayan. Tapos, etong free snacks na Uncle Kobe's. 12 pieces yung laman sa loob. Yung may cheese na, ayan, may cheese siyang dinidip. Ayan. Favorite nila yan. Ano?
And this a bit.
Okay. What's next?
One more.
And dito na tayo sa kabila. Dito sa kabila. Dito naman tayo sa isang bag.
What's this?
Choco.
What's this?
To. So, eto yung
Those or me.
yung muna.
Not mine.
Devondel yung brand. Yeah, strawberry.
Not mine.
I know. Everything's yours. Okay. So, bumili ako ng...
Duck.
Okay. TJ, Kuya Sak, Kuya TJ. Where's Holly? And dalawa nito. So, sa isang pack may
Cute. Me.
6 siya. Ayan na siya. Okay. Upo ka nga dito, oh. Mine ka. Upo ka dito. Here, oh. There. Upo. Wala pa siyang nap. And yung chocolate na mo. Ayan. 6 siya. 6 na pieces din. So, kumuha ko ng dalawa. So, ayan. Isang bag. Maano to, mabigat kasi. Ano to? What are you doing on? Nasa ilalim ng mesa si Oli. Ano to? Marami tong juice. And kasi mahilig kami sa juice. And eto, maganda tong brand. Itong berry. So, meron siyang 5 stars. So, no artificial daw. So, no sugar added. Sabi. Pero ang matamis siya. Pero sabi, no sugar. So, ayan. 5 nito. Eto yung flavor na multi-V. Ayan.
My head.
Yung isa.
My head.
Tapos, eto naman yung anong flavor? Grapes. Grapes flavor. So, ayan. Nag-sale kasi siya ng 25%. So, kumuha ako ng heavy. 4. Tapos, eto naman yung apple carrot pear. Not orange. Yeah, it's color orange, but it's not orange. Oh no, you make a mess. Can you get me tissue, please, Han? Si Holly, oh. Yung yogurt mo natapon. Oh, stop pressing, Baba. Ay. Thanks, Zach. Diyos, kawawa naman yung mga sugat niya. Okay. Now, finish it, please. Oh.
No, I did those.
Mm.
Those.
Your clothes. So, eto, ano lang nato? Yan, apple carrot pear juice. Ayan. Yung last na berry
What am I
is...
doing?
Ano?
What am I doing?
Apricot
What
nectar
am I
drink.
doing?
So, apple nectarine to.
What am I doing?
Okay. So, ayan. Ang juice. Iba naman to.
Yeah.
V8, tropical. Tropical juice. Ito, paborito ko to. So, ito, 5-star din to. Ayan. Ayan. And, si Kuya TJ request niya to. Kasi nakita niya raw sa schoolmate niya, mayroon itong yes. Chucky, touch you?
Yes.
It's alright. So, etong up and go. So, pang breakfast niya raw. So, ayan. Strawberry flavor. May 3 laman. 3 pieces. And eto naman, banana flavor. Up and go. Ayan, banana. So, first time namin itong itatry. Kasi si Kuya, request niya yan. Tapos, eto yung sa table kong ginagamit na pan-open. Ang ingay ni Holly. This is not Daddy. This is Mommy for the kitchen. Pasensya na guys. Ang ingay ng ating kasama. Dito naman tayo sa kabila. Malapit na tayo matapos. Ano ba, Holly? Hop. So, eto naman yung blueberries na mini muffins. 6 yung laman. Kumuha ko ng 2 para pang snack nila pagkagaling sa school o kaya minsan ginagawa nilang breakfast. Ano?
This is bread.
What's this?
This is bread.
Naririnig niyo? This is bread?
Yes.
This is muffins.
Hey, what's in a bread?
Tama, sabi niya, this is bread. So, ayan, dalawang blueberries. Masarap siya. And what is this?
Apple. I make.
Ayan, apple.
Mimi.
Oh, tingnan, Mimi. Oh, ikaw na. Tinalagay niya dun sa lalagyan namin. Okay. Slowly. And broccoli.
No, apple.
No, it's vegetables. Broccoli. Stop.
Apple.
And ito. Oh, 48. Value pack na toilet papers. So, 48 pieces siya. Oh, ang bigat niya. Ano to?
Tissue.
Oh, tissue daw. Ayan. Natatakpan na tayo, Holly. And nappy ni Holly.
No, mine.
I know, it's yours. So, yung yogurt mo naman dito kanina nung kumain ka sa Coles. So, ayan, 29 pieces. Tapos, etong paper towel. Apple. Paper towel, 3 siyang rows. So, ayan. Tapos, pumunta ako sa Baker's Delight kanina, di ba? So, bumili ako ng tinapay, 4 na tinapay. And kanina, mainit pa to. So, linagay na muna nila dito sa paper na, dito, paper bag. So, kasi mainit pa siya. Pero, binigyan nila ako ng, yes, bread. Where is it? Binigyan nila ako ng 2 plastic kasi, i-divide ko siya sa 2. So, ayan. Kasi linalagay ko siya sa freezer, di ba? So, ayan. 1, 2.
Tatlo.
Ano?
Tatlo.
3. This is 3.
Tatlo.
Ayan. 3. 4.
Apat.
4. Oh, baba the apple. Lala, nagbulong-bulong na yung apple dun, baba. Be careful. So, 4 yan. And, bumili rin ako nito. Ito, 3 yan. Pag bumili ka ng 2, may libre siyang isa. May hotdog to sa loob. Hotdog and cheese. Ayan. Snack ni Kuya mamaya. At saka ni Sak din mamaya. Sige, isa sila.
Mati!
Ah, finish. Very good, Holly. So, yan lang. Don't put plastic on your head. Yun lang, guys. Shh, Baba, say bye-bye nga.
Bye-bye.
So, yan na yung vlog today. Nag-grocery, nag-swimming, then nag-haul tayo. Ang ingay.
I'm from Disney.
Okay, say thank you.
Thank you. I want Disney and me.
TJ, Sak, and me. Kuya Sak, Kuya TJ, and?
Disney.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Okay, sige, ayusin ko pa to.
Not this. Not this. Mom.
Ano?
This is Remy.
So, say see ya.
Not this. Obvious. I did Vino.
Okay, say see ya na.
Not this. I from Disney.
Okay, say see ya.
No.
Say see ya.
Film at Mama.
Say see ya.
Not this is Mama.
Okay, say bye. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe. So, yan na yung vlogs for today. Ang daldal niya, diba? Okay. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Thank you. Bye. Bye-bye na, bye-bye.
Not this. Oh.
Say bye.
Apple. Very dark.
Very what?
Very old.
Very yummy.
No.
What?
Apple. Very yummy.
Very yummy. Okay.
This yummy is apple ma.
Are you done?
Not this in a papa baby.
Okay. Hi, Sak. Say hi. Ayan yung injured natin, ah. Hi. Say bye-bye na.
No, it's of Bambini.
Nag-haul siya ng apple. Okay. That's it na ba?
No, he's a Vinny. He's a Dinny. It's a Dinny.
Okay?
No, this Dinny.
Okay. Okay, say see ya.
No, this Dinny is apple.
Tapos ito pala yung eggs na binili ko. Nakalimutan ko kasi linagay na ni dyan sa ano sa... Baba, what are you doing? Linagay na ni... Yeah, later. Linagay na ni dyan sa ref. Ito yung... Lagi ko itong chinecheck. Nakita nyo naman kanina, may dalawang trays na may damage yung laman. So, lagi ko yan chinecheck. So, ito wala. So, ayan. Ilalagay ko siya dito. Ayan. Ito yung lalagyan ko ng eggs. Kasi, ano, maano kami sa eggs. Mahilig kami sa eggs. What? You wanna try? It's not cold yet, Baba. That's strawberry. So, ayan. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo to kasi kanina, diba, yung unang tray may basag. Tapos yung pangalawa may basag. So, eto, walang...